Good day. So I did a little video on gopher gassers, which I will link below if you want to check it out. And that will link you to how I get rid of gophers and moles. So with that said, a question came up from Moving Forward 9.0. Do you do rats? I'm about to go crazy with them on my property. Don't know what to do. They aren't in the house yet. They're everywhere. So let's talk about rat removal. I ain't talking like that. I'm talking mass quantity. And what I'm talking about is in this bag. So in this bag, I purchased a rat trap that I've used in the past, mass quantity. I used them up at the range, and I've used them on a job. They work. So let me start off by saying that I am not paid, nor am I sponsored, nor am I anything with this company. I'm just giving you a product that I know works really well. So this is called a flip and slide by Rhine Traps. Flip and slide. It comes with this and the little ramp. So let me show you how it works. So what you're going to do is you're going to take some peanut butter and go on the inside back in here, up in the top, and spread some peanut butter up in there. Once you do that, you're going to set it on top of the 5-gallon bucket, which it comes with little locking tabs. Okay, peanut butter is in place up in here, and it's all set up. You just take your ramp and put it up in here. Very simple setup. So this is a lethal and a non-lethal version. Now, what you're going to do with 10, 15 live rodents, drive them down the road, I don't know. That's not my problem. What I do is I fill this up with water like it recommends. Fill it up to about here. They drop in. Bye-bye, rat. Then you live by, say, a green belt. You would take them back there, dump them, and the raccoons and animals would have their way with them because you're only using water and it's not toxic and won't kill them. Okay, so back to this. So little Mr. Mousy goes up here like this, doop, 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 smells the peanut butter, and you can see you push here, it doesn't do anything. But the second he walks over here, boom, and drops in. Boom, and drops in. So I've only seen one complaint about this is where something, and it wasn't a rat, chewed on this to get to the peanut butter. It was something probably that wouldn't fit into here, so it ate this. That's the only thing. There's lots of videos. You can Google flip and slide on YouTube and see how it works. Tonight, I'm going to set this up with the game cam and record some and post tomorrow and show some videos updated tomorrow. So this will be working tonight. I'll also put a link to this in my link tree on my bio page. So that way you guys, if you want to order one, like I say, I'm not sponsored by these guys, but I literally ordered that this morning, paid an extra $2.99, and I had it same day, like 5 hours quick. So hope that answers your question. You guys stay safe. Have a wonderful day.